Facts about Hadoop. Did you know that Hadoop is revolutionizing big data? Discover fascinating facts about Hadoop in just 1 minute. Fact 1. Open source powerhouse. Hadoop is an open-source framework for distributed processing of large datasets. It's cost-effective and scalable for managing big data. Fact 2. Inspired by Google. Hadoop's core components, like HDFS and MapReduce, draw inspiration from Google's technologies. Fact 3. Fault-tolerant wonder. Hadoop gracefully handles hardware failures. It ensures data integrity and uninterrupted processing. Fact 4. Versatile data processing. Hadoop doesn't limit itself to structured data. It handles unstructured and semi-structured data, like text, images, and videos. Fact 5. Thriving ecosystem. Hadoop's ecosystem offers powerful tools like Hive and Spark, making big data processing a breeze. Discover more about Hadoop, subscribe to Sprintzeal's YouTube channel. Dive into the world of data-driven insights.